Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a field located in western Kentucky where a 580 engine horsepower AFS Connect 580 STEIGER articulated four-wheel drive tractor is working on spring tillage with a 34-foot wide CASE IH Tru Tandem 335 VT. During this video, I would like to take viewers for a ride in the cab of the tractor to show you the farmer's perspective of operating this big machine, as well as sharing the tractor's production history, specifications, and list price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this Red Power tillage team at work. I'm up in the cab of the 580 engine horsepower CASE IH 580 STEIGER. This is an AFS Connect model, and we can see that it has a very spacious cab with good view. All of the instrumentation is down to the screen on the pillar of the cab, and then it has the command center here to the right of the farmer, and then we can see out the back a good view of the 335 VT working up the ground. The tractor is running at about 8.5 miles per hour and does a really nice job out here in the field. One question viewers often have is about the muffler. It's a big muffler, but it doesn't really block the farmer's view at all. It's hidden behind the pillar. And as the tractor turns around, the farmer steers it into the next pass, and then auto steer with a click of a button takes over, and it's making another perfect run across the field, getting the seedbed ready for corn planting. The Model 580 has been the second largest tractor available from CASE IH from model year 2014 through 2023. It was updated to an AFS Connect tractor from model year 2021 when CASE IH added a new cab with an AFS 1200 Pro display screen. The 580 is part of the STEIGER series of articulated four-wheel drive tractors from CASE IH, which includes 6 models ranging from 370 to 620 engine horsepower. This STEIGER tractor is powered by a 12.9-liter FPT 6-cylinder 787 cubic inch turbocharged engine. Rated at 580 engine horsepower, it can achieve a maximum horsepower rating of 638 when the tractor needs to power through tough field conditions, and it offers a 473 PTO horsepower rating. This machine is fitted with a 455-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 66-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. The 580 features a full power shift transmission offering 16 forward and 2 reverse speeds. It can travel from 2.7 to 25 miles per hour. When the 580 rolls off the assembly line, it weighs in at 48,147 pounds and can be field weighted up to 66,000 pounds. The tractor working in this video is equipped with Michelin 710 70R 42 dual tires. According to CaseIH.com, the list price for a 580 Steiger in model year 2023 is $726,267. The Model 580 AFS Connect tractor can also be ordered as a quad track model. It has similar specifications as the wheeled Steiger. The only changes are that the diesel fuel tank holds 470 gallons. It has an 85-gallon diesel emission fluid tank. The quad track weighs in at 48,710 pounds when it rolls off the assembly line in Fargo, North Dakota, and can be field weighted up to 64,000 pounds. An AFS Connect 580 quad track for model year 2023, according to CaseIH.com, has a list price of $872,477. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with and up in the cab with the Case IH 580 STEIGER Tractor working on spring tillage ahead of corn planting. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use an articulated four-wheel drive tractor on your farm. Tell me about the implements that you're operating with it. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content from this channel featuring big tractors, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to 2 more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.